Trigonometry is used a lot in word problems for right triangles, so we need to know some of our vocabulary. If an observer is looking at an object, then the line from the observer's eyes to the object is called the line of sight. If the object being observed is above the horizontal, then the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal is called the angle of elevation. If the object is below the horizontal, then the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal is called the angle of depression. If the line of sight follows a physical object, such as an inclined plane or a hillside, we use the term angle of inclination. There are picture diagrams of these on page 487. But in a lot of word problems, they'll give you that they are looking from the ground. So our first word problem, a giant redwood tree casts a shadow 532 feet long. Find the height of the tree at the angle of elevation of the sun is 25.7 degrees. Okay, so let's draw a picture. Here's land. We have a tree. Over here, up to the right, we have the sun. And the tree's casting a shadow. And the shadow goes out. It goes out 532 feet long. So, we can create a right triangle. This tree, it's perpendicular to the ground, so it created a right triangle, or a right angle. We can create a right triangle from the tip of the shadow to the top of the tree that hits the sun. And we know this angle is 25.7 degrees. So we want to know the height of the tree. This is your height. So we have the angle (25.7), and we have the adjacent leg to the angle 532, and we need to find the opposite. So we need to find the opposite. Have an angle, we have O and A, so that means we need to use tangent. Tangent of 25.7 equals opposite. So our unknown, x over the adjacent 532. So just multiply that by that 532 on both sides. And these you can plug into your calculator. 532 times 0.48127 to get x as approximately 256. And that's the height of the tree, so it's in feet. The next two word problems involve a new concept, and we will go over those in class on Tuesday.